AUXITO H7 LED light bulbs. The AUXITO H7 LED light bulbs are an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their power sports and off-road experience. Designed by the renowned brand AUXITO, these light bulbs offer exceptional performance and quality. With a wattage of 16 watts, these LED bulbs provide a bright and powerful white light, making them ideal for foggy conditions or off-road adventures. The crisp white light ensures maximum visibility, allowing you to navigate through challenging terrains with ease and confidence. The AUXITO H7 LED light bulbs are specifically engineered for power sports and off-road use. Whether you're riding a motorcycle, ATV, or any other off-road vehicle, these bulbs are designed to withstand the rigors of demanding environments. They offer a long lifespan, ensuring durability and reliability for your outdoor adventures. Installing the AUXITO H7 LED light bulbs is a breeze. With their plug-and-play design, you can easily replace conditions or off-road adventures. The crisp white light ensures maximum visibility, allowing you to navigate through challenging terrains with ease and confidence. The AUXITO H7